So how do you make pea and mint dip? I'll show you in this video. Yo, what is up? This recipe is super freaking easy. That's why I like it. All you need is 800 grams of frozen peas and 2 cups of H2O, 2 cups of water, and some mint. I just basically threw in as much as I want. You know, you can throw in more mint if you want it to be really minty, or less mint if you don't want it to be as minty. But yeah, I just threw this amount in, and bing bang bosh. Bit of sea salt. Sea salt's really good at this. You know, a teaspoon of sea salt. You could add more or less depending on, you know, sort of how you vibe with it. And then I cooked it down maybe like 5-6 minutes until the water was reduced, and you know, poured that into a blender. It's a new blender that's bought recently, and yeah, from there you do the magic blend. 3, 2, 1, kaboom! Yeah. That's how it is, and you will be amazed. You will be amazed. This here rivals hummus in my opinion. Change my mind. So comes out like this. You can have it more thick. You know, add less water, and this makes a fantastic dip. Also can make a good pesto if you've got like pasta, or like, you know, whatever it is you want to, like, you know, eat with pesto. I had it with the tomato. Try to be all like fancy and stuff and go for the go for the potato, but it just wasn't working out. So I was like, okay, I'll try it again, and then God, then I just oh, I was not. I was just like, you know, I'm just gonna push for it anyway. um, I do end up succeeding. I do end up succeeding and having like a smooth one for you. This is what people don't show whenever they make these videos, but here it is. And yeah, the final product is what I had with some pak choy, some steamed potatoes. Underneath that is a big thing of lettuce and some tomatoes. So yeah, let me know what you think. Peace.